Bullshot Carpet Cleaner is advertised as a powerful cleaning solution for carpets, promising to remove stains, dirt, and odors effortlessly. It comes in a convenient spray or foam form, designed for easy application on heavily soiled areas. The product also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which seems reassuring for those considering trying it out. On the surface, it sounds like an ideal solution for carpet cleaning, but is it really as effective as it claims to be? Several red flags emerge upon closer inspection. The product promises to do it all: remove any stain instantly, work on every surface, and require no scrubbing or rinsing. While this sounds impressive, it's also quite unrealistic. Stubborn stains usually require some effort, and no single product can guarantee complete removal of all types of dirt and odors, especially without the need for scrubbing or multiple applications. A quick search online, particularly on platforms like Reddit, reveals a wave of skepticism from users who have tried Bullshot Carpet Cleaner. Many report being disappointed with its performance. One user mentioned that it barely worked on fresh stains and was definitely not worth the money, especially since the company didn't honor their return policy. Others chimed in with alternative cleaning methods, such as using hydrogen peroxide or OxyClean powder, which they found far more effective for organic stains like soda or coffee spills. There's also criticism of the infomercials, which some users believe use computer-generated results that don't reflect real-life outcomes. Overall, the consensus from most users seems to be to steer clear of the product. Another concern is the aggressive marketing tactics used to promote Bullshot Carpet Cleaner. It's often sold with flashy discounts and exaggerated promises, encouraging quick purchases. Companies that rely heavily on these pressure tactics often do so to distract from potential product shortcomings. If a product truly worked as advertised, there wouldn't be a need for such extreme sales strategies. In conclusion, while Bullshot Carpet Cleaner may sound like a convenient solution, the red flags surrounding its exaggerated claims, negative user reviews, and aggressive marketing suggest it may not live up to the hype. It's always a good idea to be cautious and not fall for high-pressure sales tactics, especially when there are more trusted cleaning alternatives available.